How to cross post Instagram and Facebook. So make sure you are the admin with page which you want to cross post. Suppose I want to cross post this page test 66 on. So I am the admin on this page. That's it. Now go back to your Instagram, then press on this profile icon, go to edit profile, then you can see the page option. Just press on connect, press on continue. Now log in with your Facebook, and at the same time make sure your Instagram is connected with Facebook, and then select your page. Suppose I want to connect this page, press on connect, and your Instagram account is now connect. Now press on connect again. Now go back and make sure your Instagram and Facebook profile is connected together. If you don't connect together, then just go to your three dotted line, then account center, and from here you can see the account. Just press on add account to add Instagram and Facebook account together. Now go back and edit page again. You can see my page is connected. Now another thing you need to do, press on three dotted line, then you can see the cross post. Go the cross post and enable those options. Enable all recommended reels on Facebook reels post. Now let's check. Post this on, select reels or post. Now press on next. Now press on share. Let's check. It's finish up to the profile, and it's now available on my Instagram. Now let's back to my Facebook page. Now go back to my Facebook post. See, it's now available here. Same thing, test. So this is how you can easily cross post easily. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and do subscribe. Have a good day.